Hello everybody, it's Autumn Love. I wanted to see who this reading would be about, so I pulled a card from my Emergency Affirmations for Exceptionally Stupid Days deck. And the one I pulled was, I know I can do amazing things, right after all the panicked crying. And then I had the feeling to use both of these decks, so we'll see what comes out. Love and Money or the Dead Inside deck? I don't know. Let's try Love and Money first. Let's see. Let's see who this is. All the panicked crying, huh? To do amazing things. Stop panicking. Have faith. Just have faith. Whoa! Puppet. Ooh, trapped in a cycle of consumption and oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. I can't even read it. These cards are just coming out now. Alright, who's crying? Let's see. We have Puppet. Somebody that's working their butt off, probably. Trapped in a cycle of consumption and never satisfied. Shallow satisfaction from consumerism is short-lived. Monetary chains hold you back from true happiness. So what's that mean? Like, lots of bills? Like, just gotta work? Somebody's working their butt off. They're probably maybe trying to escape their emotions if they're working their ass off. Oh, okay. Okay. Time's relentless advance grapples with the irreversibility of time and its permanent impact. Sorry, can't go back in time. Understands time's relentless advance and the impossibility of reversal. Ooh, wish we could just go back in time, huh? Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. And then we got third-party situation. Another person disrupts your relationship and causes turmoil. Trust broken by infidelity and struggling to rebuild it. I wonder who this is. Divine Masculine, why are you putting the Divine Feminine in third-party situations? She doesn't deserve that. No. Just wish we could go back in time. Boy, that's the past. That's been a big theme lately. Whoop. Condemnation. Public scrutiny causes you to question your worth and motives. Facing public opinion challenges your resilience and resolve. Oh, I know exactly who this is. We would call this my ex, but I hate calling him my ex because I found out I was the other woman. Yeah, let's see. Anything else? Infidelity. Yep. Okay, nothing else coming out of this deck. Wait, what do we got on the bottom? Oh, it's gambling upside down, but I definitely know who this is. Yup. Even if you proceed with your uncertain plans, I'll always care about you, but I'm worried these risks might drive us apart. Let's find a secure path together. Yeah, right. Not if you're a gambler. I don't think so. I got all kinds of money coming to me, and I am not risking it with a gambler. Hell no. Nope. So, that said, This is definitely my ex. The gambling, drinking, womanizing Native American. Okay, let's see how he feels with the Dead Inside deck. Tell me, snitch on him, Spirit. Tell us what we need to know. He must be dreaming about me because got Raquel in a dream playing. I know Spirit picks the songs for my readings. Come on, Spirit, snitch on him. What's going on? No thoughts, just vibes. Disassociation, emptiness, floating. That's why I bought this deck. Because he told me one time that he was just dead inside. This is a pretty card, though. I like it. No thoughts, just vibes. Dissociation, emptiness, floating. In a dream. Yeah, I know he's dreaming of me. Oh. Woo! Vanished while meditating. Mind fog. Awareness collapse. Okay. So I guess he's in a mind fog while he's doing his dissociation. Yeah, I wasn't really getting anything else out here. Even your spirit guide quit. Bruh! Even your spirit guide quit. Disillusionment, abandonment. God, even your spirit guide abandoned you. It sucks to be this masculine. Alright, let's go to my Divine Truth. The deck that pretty much... all kinds of cards always come out of this deck. 100 cards here. Alright, Spirit. Can you snitch a little bit more on this masculine here? Knowing that even his spirit guide quit on him. Oh boy. I don't blame him, spirit guide. Aw. What's the matter? You don't want to snitch on him? Or is he getting quiet and he doesn't want to talk? Even though he watches my every move and he probably drives by my house every night. Okay, nothing's coming out. Wow, not even the player card? Not even the love triangle card? No thoughts, just vibes. It's perfect. Thank you, Spirit. Love triangle. There's another energy interfering in your connection, competition, and confused. I don't know whether I want to be friends or lovers. Am I ready for a relationship? I love when Spirit works with me like this. 100 cards. I didn't pull this out. Thank you, Spirit. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's try one more deck. Meow. Little Coco. You're always going to be confused. You know, I got a reading done on this masculine when I first started seeing them. And the reading said that he was never going to know what he wanted. And you know what? That reading has proven to be true. So, I don't know whether I want to be just friends or lovers. Am I ready for a relationship? Well, then you should probably stop trying to Look for a relationship if that's not what you want. If, you know, if all you want is sex, there's plenty of people out there that, you know, want that too and can fulfill that desire for you without you having to deceive the crap out of them. But whatever. God knows where your heart is. That's probably why you're getting all kinds of karma. That's why you lost the love of your life. Even your spirit guide quit on you. Because God knows where your heart is. You don't have one. Emptiness. You're empty inside. No heart. Yup. Anyways. Oh. Okay. You are very special to me, and I am planning on taking action to prove how important you really are in my life. I'll believe it when I see it. But by then it'll be too late. Yup, I already know how this story plays out. I just didn't know which characters were playing. Yup. What else do we have? Do we have anything else for this masculine spirit? You believed in me when no one else did. You showed me compassion that I couldn't show myself, and for that I am grateful. Okay. Well, I mean, I would show that to anybody. Anything else? No. Oh, I spoke too soon. I'm going to say I think that's it, but here's one more. Oh, two more. I'm like, should I even keep going? I've made peace with my past, and I am working on bringing balance into our connection. My friends say you are too good for me. I feel I don't deserve your love. I think your friends are definitely right. Okay, we'll see if anything else comes out. Gosh, one masculine that's made peace with his past. Now can we get the other masculines to make peace with their past? Release the past? Make amends with it? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's it. We're gonna end it there. Yes, I think your friends are definitely right. Yeah. This masculine abused the divine feminine's love. Definitely does not deserve it. Nope. 2 chances too many. You're not gonna get a third. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, please follow and subscribe. Have a great night.